I'm Fauzia from Think Healthy, Live Healthy, and today I want to make a dish just with tomatoes and onions. It's also vegetarian, so this dish, what I'm gonna make, you can eat it as a side dish. You cannot have it as a main dish. It should be like a side dish. So I'm going to make this. It's very easy recipe to make, and enjoy that. The ingredients I'm going to use for that is pomegranate seeds, because pomegranate seeds are a bit sour. They give a very different taste. And what I'm going to add to this as well is mustard seeds grinded with cumin, and that also mixed together give a total different flavor. So this is what I'm going to use, and the dish is with tomatoes and onions and with some special ingredients I would say, and I'm going to garnish with fresh coriander and some mint leaves. So please subscribe my channel and click on the like button, and if you want to write some comment, please write comment and let me know how you like the taste. So let's start, and I'll show you the ingredients I'm going to use for that. So plenty tomatoes I have here, onions, I'm going to cut all these onions. I'll have plenty onions, and these are the ingredients I was talking about. This is the pomegranate seeds grinded. You get that also in Indian shops. And this is the mix of cumin and mustard seeds, and grind it together, and it gives a totally different flavor. So these are the ingredients, and I'm going to use also salt and turmeric as well. So first of all, I need to cut tomatoes, plenty tomatoes and onions. So tomatoes and onions are chopped, and let's go to the other side. So here we have a pan, non-stick pan here. And we use just 2 spoons of oil. 1 and we will add some cumin here as well. So this looks quite good. So I chopped some garlic as well, so I'm going to add garlic here to this. Not so much, but it's like, you know, a little bit garlic we need to have a garlic kick in the chutney. And of course chilies, fresh chilies as well. This is optional. If you want, you can add it, or just have some chili powder. And now I'm gonna add the tomatoes. So first I will add some onions into that, bit of onions. This. Always be aware of the heat. Nothing should burn, it should be just like light brown. Looks good. Now we're gonna add tomatoes. Plenty tomatoes. I'm gonna add some more onions into that, but I just want to first, because this is going to have too much water now, and onions is also going to have lots of water, so I'm having quite high the cooker. Should be okay. I'm also going to add more onions now and let this cook all together. Keep some onion to put it on a bit later. And now I'm going to put the ingredients. So this gives also very nice color. So that looks good. We will add also now some turmeric for color and for the taste, and bit of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon, salt. And you need to put the fire low, or else you will burn the whole thing. I'm gonna put low, and I'm gonna close this now. This actually doesn't take very long. Yep. So let's see how it looks like. This seems to be done now. Yep, that's it. This is all. And now we're gonna garnish this with and some onions and mix it.